I'm AD.
I'm Rashid, and this is Fact or Fiction.
Ready, fight! Let's just get right into it. I'm here to take you down. And this week, we're talking about farts. And my question for you, fact or fiction? Holding a fart for too long can kill you.
I would say holding in a fart too long can kill you. And you want to know why? Listen, AD, I'm a reader. I'm a learner.
Are you coming up with this answer from somewhere? Is it something that you read? Something that a teacher told you? A doctor's in your family? Where did you derive this answer from? I'm just curious.
Well, listen, I'm always learning. I'm an eternal learner.
You're a sponge.
I'm a sponge.
Okay.
And this has been through personal research, through my
I'm
travels,
loving this.
my studying.
Just trust me, I'm loving this. Come on.
This is good. You're gonna like this.
I'm really liking this. Keep going.
Oh, and I'll even give you an anecdote from a famous person as well. There's a famous actor named Timothy Carey. And Timothy Carey once said this exact thing to Quentin Tarantino, and I'm going to ride with Timothy on this. Timothy told Quentin one day, if you hold in he said, we're killing ourselves slowly by holding in our farts. All of us, every day, if we would just let them
Rashid,
go.
You are so smart. You're brilliant. And the reason why I want to say that, because this is 100% fiction. Ouch. I think I feel so much better after I got it out. I mean, just seeing you drown over there, talking about all this garbage, what you're talking about, a fart cannot kill you. It can definitely be uncomfortable, and you should definitely not let a fart stay within your body for long periods of time. Ultimately, you should just let it rip. But like I said, SpongeBob over there just went on this soliloquy. What is it? Soliloquy?
Soliloquy.
Soliloquy? What is it? What the fuck is it?
Soliloquy.
So I can't say it. But it was beautiful to watch this guy fall down. It brought me so much joy inside.
He held in the answer that whole time, almost like it was a fart, and then you let it out like a fart.
I mean, you said you were a sponge, SpongeBob. You're not doing so well.
I'm more like Patrick a little bit on this one. AD, fact or fiction? Farts are flammable.
It is a gas. God, I really, really want to say fact. But somehow my brain is really...
You don't strike me as a chemist. I don't think you know much about the gases.
You don't know me. I'm going to go on and say this is fiction.
Oh, I enjoyed watching you just searching.
Doesn't sound good for me.
Grabbing at straws, because that's a fact.
Painful.
You ever done this with your friends?
Friends? Where we're lighting farts on fire? What the fuck?
Hold the lighter to your butt and you fart. It's like a flamethrower. I'll show you a video.
That can't be safe.
It's not safe.
Who does this?
I bet on frat houses I could see this be going down all the time.
No, this sounds like I said, small town activity.
We get bored out there. There's not much to do. We start lighting farts on fire. I'll tell you why their farts are flammable. Because they contain methane and hydrogen. The same things that led to the Hindenburg lighting on fire.
And the only reason why you know is because you're really, not because of that information. No, everyone knows you don't know that. It's just because you were lighting farts on fire when you were a kid. All right, Rashid, look, I know I blew the last question and I was going down the right path, but it's no way you're gonna know this one. Fact or fiction? If you try to hold a fart for too long, it can leak into your mouth.
Sometimes when you speak, I think it is farts coming out of your mouth.
Me too.
So I want to say fact, but to be honest, I'm going to keep it a buck. That sounds a little too far-fetched. A burp would be the gas coming out of your mouth.
No, I see where you're going with this.
And I'll tell you what, it has a different sound, different smell, different taste. Not a fart. I'm going to say that that's fiction.
Like I said again, the logic. Again,
Very good.
No, you really bring the wrong facts constantly.
But they get me to the right place.
Again, it's still backward. You're wrong again. Just like normal, the earth is still round and I'm loving it. This is a fact.
Game over.
Hell, man. You have me thinking I got it.
If you really hold your fart for too long, the gas can actually be absorbed into your bloodstream, which then goes into your body, which then can be released through your mouth.
You've been struggling this far. I think it's fair to say
You haven't got a question right. What are you talking about? You're struggling currently. I'm fine.
I think
I'm fine.
Your struggling is starting to rub off on me. So,
That might be true.
fact or fiction?
Bring it.
Eating beans makes you fart more.
There used to be a song when I was a kid. Beans, beans, a musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you poop. The better you feel. I eat beans for every meal.
I think you're off on that song because I think
No.
it's the more you toot.
Okay, listen.
off
It was a
even
while
on the
ago.
song.
Listen, that was pretty good.
That was
I just
good.
came from I just pulled that from I don't know where.
Deep memory, deep way
That was far back there. But needless to say, Rashid, I'm going with that is a fact.
It's a fact that I hate
Yes.
to say.
Winner. What you really hate saying is, AD, you won this game.
Nah.
That's what just happened. I won. And it feels good. Oh, it feels so great inside. Give me the facts on why I'm right. I love this part.
I'll explain it to you.
Okay.
And it's going to hurt me. Now, here's the deal. It doesn't make you fart more times each day. It makes more gas per fart. So your farts are going to be bigger.
But now the series, the overall series, is now 2-2. Be here next week because I'm taking down Rashid.
It's
and
not happening.
Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also tune in to next week's show. Watching me kick Rashid's ass.